application for the chapter grant already read. By virtue of the power vested in me, I, Delbert John Zuleta Barsaga, Supreme Lord Chancellor of Gamma Beta Sigma, Philippines, hereby grants the application of Balingwan as a chapter and confer upon them the status of a fully granted chapter. Congratulations. Atong kumustaon mga brothers, atong kumustaon ang newly established chapter Balingwan chapter ni Samis Oriental.
Wala camera low ba?